I've been so hard on myself. like the devil whispers on the ear. Maybe I was a devil all this time, to feel like a haunted deer. Having a devil inside, feeling like I'm the fucking deceptive. I must have